These are all the letters of the alphabet. But only 5 letters in the alphabet are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. Good work. All of the other letters are consonants. Remember vowels? The letter A is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short A sound, like an apple, or it can make the long A sound, like an ape eating an apple. The letter E is a vowel. It can make the short E sound like an egg, or it can make the long E sound like an eel. An eel painting an egg. Now it's my turn. The letter I is a vowel, and it can make different sounds. It can make the short I sound, like in the word insect, one of my favorite things. Or it can make the long I sound, like an ice cream, an insect eating an ice cream. The letter O is a vowel. It can make the short ah sound like an octopus, or it can make the long O sound like an ocean. An octopus swims in the ocean. But I swim in the pool. The letter U is a vowel fit for a princess. It can make the short U sound, like in the word underwear. Or it can make the long U sound, like in unicorn and flute. A unicorn in underwear playing the flute.